Welcome to Cersis class. Continue with the STDR examples. Let us take second example on STDR. For the following data, compute standardized death rates and comment. First column age group is given. Locality A population and deaths. Locality B is population and deaths. And last column standard population is given. So before solving the question, you have to analyze the question. So what is given and what you have to find out. So here in this question we have to find STDR of locality A and STDR of locality B separately. So after finding STDR of locality and locality B, we have to give the comment. So comment means after finding locality and locality B, which locality has healthy population, that you have to tell in the conclusion. Okay. Solution. First we have to solve locality A. Locality is age group, population, deaths and standard population. So to find out the STDR of locality A, first we have to find out ASTR. So the formula of ASTR is dt upon pt into 1000. So this means ASTR we are going to calculate age wise. Okay. So first we have to find out ASTR for the age group 0 to 20 is 72 divided by 4000 into 1000 is 18. Next ASTR for the age group 20 to 40 is 54 divided by 9000 into 1000 is equal to 6. Next ASTR for the age group 40 to 60 is 98 divided by 7000 into 1000 is equal to 14. Next ASTR for the age group 60 and above is 129 divided by 3000 into 1000 is 43. So these are the ASTR values. So after finding ASTR, we want summation PA total. So then you have to find out PA. So P stands for standard population, A means ASTR of locality A. So now you multiply with P with A. Okay, 6000 into 18 is 10,08,000. 12,000 into 6 is 72,000. 8,000 into 14 is 1,12,000. 4,000 into 43 is 1,72,000. So after finding this, we want summation of this. So therefore summation PA total is 4,64,000. So as we know, the formula of STDR of locality A is summation PA divided by summation P. So now you substitute the values. Here summation PA total is 4,64,000 and summation P total is 30,000. So after finding this, STDR of locality A is 15.47. So let us solve locality B. So locality B is age group, population and deaths. Standard population is same for locality and locality B. So again we know the formula of STDR of locality B is summation PB upon summation P. So this means to find out the STDR, first we have to calculate ASTR values. Okay. So ASTR of 0 to 10 is 128 divided by 8000 into 1000 is 16. Next ASTR for the age group 20 to 40 is 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000 is 5. Next ASTR for the age group 40 to 60 is 120 divided by 10,000 into 1000 is 14. Next ASTR for the age group 60 and above is 160 divided by 4000 into 1000 is 40. So these are the ASTR values of locality B. So after finding ASTR values, we want summation PB total. Okay. So as you know, P stand for standard population, B means ASTR of locality B. So now you multiply with standard population with ASTR of locality B. So 6,000 into 16 is 96,000. 12,000 into 5 is 60,000. 8,000 into 14 is equal to 1,12,000. The last one 4,000 into 40 is 1,60,000. So after finding PB values, you have to take the summation PB total. Okay, so summation PB total is equal to 42,08,000. Okay, so after finding this, now we substitute here. Summation PB total is 4,28,000 divided by summation P total is 30,000. So after solving this, standardized death rate of locality B is 14.27. Okay. So here, so after finding STDR of locality A is 15.47 and STDR of locality B is 14.27. So we have to give the comment then. So what is the comment? See here STDR of locality B is less than STDR of locality A. So this means therefore locality B is more healthier. So next we shall study the measurement of mortality, fourth one, that is infant mortality rate. In short it is called as IMR. So what is IMR then? IMR is defined as average number of infant deaths per 1,000 live births in a year. See, the formula of IMR is equal to number of deaths among infants in the year divided by total number of live births in the same year into 1,000. See here, infant means children aged less than 1 year are called as infants. Okay. For calculating IMR, live births alone are considered and stillbirths are never taken into account. Stillbirths refers to a child which is dead even before delivery. The rate can be calculated for males and females separately. Here, IMR indicates the level of health, nutrition and socio-economic development of a region. In India, the IMR is 46.07. So out of which male IMR is 44.71, whereas female IMR is 47.59 per 1,000 in the year 2012. So let us solve one example on IMR. I'll just read out the example. So this question carries 2 marks. In a town, in a year, 62,418 live births occurred, and of these 3,207 infants died in the same year. Compute infant mortality rate. Here for this question we have to find out IMR. Okay, as we know the formula of IMR is IMR equals number of deaths among infants in the year divided by total number of live births in the same year into 1,000. Okay, here now we substitute the values. Number of deaths among infants in the year is 3,207 divided by total number of live births are 62,418. So into 1,000. So this becomes, after solving this, IMR is equal to 51.38. Here 51.38 indicates out of 1,000 live births, infant mortality rate is 51.38. Take the next measure, that is the fifth one, neonatal mortality rate. So in short it is called as NMR. It can be defined as average number of neonatal deaths per 1,000 live births in a year. See here, neonatal babies means babies aged less than 28 days are called as neonatal babies. So the formula of NMR is equal to total number of deaths of neonatal babies in a year divided by total number of live births occurring in the year into 1,000. See, most infant deaths occur within the first month of birth, and around 60% of infant deaths are neonatal deaths. So in India, NMR rate is 32 per thousand the year 2010. So let us solve one example on NMR. First example, in a particular city, 3000 live births occurred in a particular year. The number of neonatal deaths was 90. Calculate neonatal mortality rate. So this is 2 marks question, important one. Solution, as we know, the formula of NMR is equal to total number of deaths of neonatal babies in a year divided by total number of live births occurring in the year into 1000. So now you substitute the values. Total number of deaths are 90 divided by total number of live births are 3000. So 90 divided by 3000 into 1000. So this becomes NMR is equal to 30. So let us take the last important measure, that is maternal mortality rate. In short, it is called as MMR. MMR is defined as average number of deaths among mothers due to causes relating to childbirth per thousand births in a year. So in general, MMR means deaths of mothers at the time of delivery. Okay, the formula of MMR is equal to total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirths in a year divided by total number of births in a year into 1000. See, MMR is an indicator of advancement in medical facilities and maternity facilities, specifically the availability of medical care at the time of delivery. Okay, so let us take one example on MMR. In a community, in a specific year, 4000 births occurred. The case of 40 of above, the mothers died due to childbirth. Compute MMR. So again, this is a 2 marks question, important one. Solution. So as we know, the formula of MMR is equal to total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirths in a year divided by total number of births in a year into 1000. So this means to calculate MMR, we want deaths and total live births. So now we substitute the values. In this question here, deaths is 40 divided by total number of live births is 4000 into 1000. So this becomes MMR is equal to 10. Thank you.